Hey, we bikers. On Saturday, May 4th, is the 18th annual International Female Ride Day. So I was lucky enough to be invited to come to an event which was actually being hosted in my town. So it was a ride organized from Houston and all those surrounding areas coming to Austin, Texas. And some of those organizers were Monique Hill, Ingrid Kelly, Vina Queen Webb, that's the Texas Queen, Pamela Branch, Toni Powell-Faust, and Alma Johnson. Hopefully I got those names right.
Hey ladies, how you doing? All right. Lisa, okay. So you're here for the event. What event is this?
This is the International Women's Day Ride.
That's right. And people are coming from parts all over, right?
That's correct.
Wow. What's going on, sis?
So many people coming.
I can imagine, yeah.
So we should all come from that way.
So on Saturday, May 4th, women riders from across the globe unite to celebrate the 18th annual International Female Day Ride. It's an event that's really synchronized around the world to honor and highlight female riders in both motorsports and powersports. So with the theme for this year is being the acronym IFRDE, Every Woman. The globally recognized day will highlight the diversity, strength, camaraderie of women riders everywhere while advancing gender parity in motorsports. So as you can see, they're riding everything from slingshots. They have regular bikers on twos, Rykers, Vanderhalls, Can-ams, ATVs, sports cars, whatever they feel like rolling up on, they're rolling up on. And look at these vehicles, y'all. Look at this. I mean, these things were tricked out. Tricked out. So Vicki Gray, who is the founder of the International Female Ride Day, states that the International Female Ride Day is more than just a day to ride. It's a movement dedicated to advancing women's presence in motorcycling, motorsports, and power sports, engaging women to pursue their passions with confidence. Since its inception in 2007, the International Female Ride Day has become a cherished tradition for each Saturday in May. So it's the first Saturday in May. Synchronized riders take their place in cities and towns everywhere in the world, showcasing their passion and dedication of women riders from all walks of life. From Australia to Africa, Europe to the Americas, participants come together to celebrate and to represent their shared love of power sports and the freedom of the activity. So this event was held at Down South CaJJun Eats in Pflugerville, Texas. This is one of the many locations that this event was held for this particular group. So there are many groups all over the world doing exactly the same things or doing different things, all honoring the day. So I stopped by CaJJun Eats to meet and fellowship with them, and hopefully I made some new friends. So this group met in Houston. Their first meetup spot was at the Houston Motorsport in Houston, Texas. So they met up around 7 a.m. and I think they pulled out around 8 a.m. And then they stopped at Buc-ee's on the way. Buc-ee's is just like a superstore for those who don't know what Buc-ee's is. It's a superstore generally that you would find in traveling, gas station, things like that.
All right, where y'all riding from?
Houston.
Houston, all right. Welcome to Pflugerville, right?
Yeah.
Pflugerville, yep.
Now there was also another group that pulled up from San Antonio, all leaving around the same time to get to Pflugerville by around 11:30. So as you know, ladies gotta have the mimosas, so it's heavy pouring today.
Hey, how you doing, sis? How was the ride?
We got rain a little bit.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah. Okay, T-Word.
All right. Okay. How y'all doing? All right. Ah, they got here first. They know what's up. They know what's up. Hello. How was that ride? All right. They got feet down now.
And just for clarity, this is the day is for the ladies. So for the fellows who tagged along from like Houston to San Antonio, they stayed in the cut. They stayed in the back and played the back. This was their day. So that's exactly how we rolled. I didn't ride with them. I just was in town and just met them here. So it was all good. Representing the ladies from San Antonio and Houston area. If they come to my town, you gotta represent. So while they're inside fellowshipping, I want to go outside in the parking lot and check out some of the vehicles that they have out there. I'm going to speed this up. So does anyone have a slingshot? Do you have a Ryker or a Vanderhall? Do you have a Can-am? How is the ride on these things? Has anyone ridden one of these? I'm just kind of curious of what it sort of feels like. Because I've been on a trike, right? But the trike has the wheels in the back, and these have two in the front. So if you have any experience, let me know about these. Oh, Delta's representing. Nice. And there's another one over there. It was Batman themed. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Bam, that is nice. Batman themed. But anyway, so anyone have any experience with these things, or is this like something you just like, I'm not doing that. But I see them more and more, and they're tricked out. In Daytona, they were rolling heavy. So I'm sure at more events this summer, bike events, they'll be coming through. But what's your take on these? Is this something that you would ride in? Have you been on one? So are you saying no? Oh, we got some Harleys representing. Gotta love it. So there was a second location, Bombshells. So I guess the first place was like pretty crowded, so people decided to go over here to Bombshells. Now, I've been in my town for a couple of years now, and I just haven't gone here yet. There's no excuse because they do have bike nights here. So this was my first time actually going inside, and it's pretty nice. I didn't have too much food, but I just had something to drink, and it was all good. But yeah, I'd recommend Bombshells if you're ever in this area over here. I think this may be closer to Round Rock than no, it still may be Pflugerville. I think it's still Pflugerville, but nice location. A lot of the riders came through here. There's a lot more room inside, and again, just fellowshipping and enjoying the day. So yeah, I came through here, and everyone's very cordial, nice, and hey, next time they come through again, I'll be around, and hopefully I can get some more footage. Or if I'm at events this summer, I'm sure I'm going to see a lot of people who I met here today. So I'm glad I was honored to be able to be here to sort of witness their day and sort of play the background. It was very enjoyable. So, shout out to the ladies, big them up. All respects to them and their day. It was a great day. And hey, if you were there, if you're one of the ladies who were at this event, put something in the comments. Let us know about how your experience was. How was your ride? Did you get rained on, or it didn't matter? Did you meet more people there? And if you're with a riding organization, let me know as well. Put that in the comments. I definitely want to learn more about, riding with, these types of vehicles. I think that's something that, I've seen a lot, and I definitely want to get more experience at it. So like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for coming along. Take care.